up early by my seashore today, from a nice dream on the beach. Didn't fathom what he was trying to say. A sickle and a hammer breeze. Got hacked by the USSR. Data encrypted, gotta pay up. Hacked by the USSR. A blast from the past, a new Cold War's coming. The excitement is too much. Is anything up? Is the server running? Guess SecOps was out of touch. Got hacked by the USSR. Data encrypted, gotta pay up. Hacked by the US, hacked by the US, hacked by the USSR. Well, the bear attack knocked us out. Phishing emails all day. Fancy bear makes me wanna shout. Getting hacked is what's on my mind. Got hacked by the USSR. Data encrypted, gotta pay up. Hacked by the USSR. Yeah, I got hacked by the USSR.